Welcome to the Cerritos Library. My name is Miss Rochelle, and today we're going to celebrate International Observe the Moon Night with a Storytime and Crafts. International Observe the Moon Night is on October 16th this year. It is a time when people from around the world come together to learn about lunar science and exploration. Visit moon.nasa.gov for more information about this exciting event. Let's get started with our first story. Our first story is Moon, a Peek Through picture book. It is illustrated by Britta Teckentrup and published by Doubleday Books for Young Readers. Have you ever wondered why the moon shines in the nighttime sky? How every creature, plant, and tree is subject to its mystery? You see the moon right there? A breeze blows softly across the land, rippling through the desert sand. A scorpion scuttles through the night, glowing with an eerie light. Do you see the scorpion? It's right there. Far away in a land harsh and bare, puff and shiver in the cold night air. The northern lights set the skies aglow, shimmering, glimmering above the snow. As birds fly south to warmer climes, they seem to sense the perfect time. Shining strongly through the night, the moon will always guide their flight. See the moon and all the birds? In the jungle, through the green, shafts of silvery light are seen. As parrots swoop beneath the moon, tree frogs croak their nightly tune. On northern shores, on a moonlit night, nature reveals a magical sight. Hundreds of turtles swim to land to lay their eggs in the soft white sand. See all the turtles? When nights are dark and the moon is new, a tiny field mouse has work to do. Busily scampering here and there, it hunts for food in the cool night air. The ocean sparkles bluey green, lit up by a magical scene. Waves roll gently to and fro, the moon commands their ebb and flow. Above the mountainside at night, the sky is filled with sparkling light. As wispy clouds scutter by, a shining moonbow lights up the sky. See the moon? The moonbow right there. In the grassland, all is still. Animals rest in the nighttime chill. After a day of blazing heat, the cool, clear air smells fresh and sweet. Snowflakes fall on frozen ground. Swirling, twirling, they make no sound. Under the moon, huddled together, penguins seek warmth in the icy weather. So when you close your eyes at night, imagine the moon's twinkling light, shining down with a silvery glow as we dream our dreams in the world below. The end. Next we have a song called Zoom, 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 We're Going to the Moon. Okay, put your hands together like this. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. If you want to take a trip, climb aboard the rocket ship. Zoom, 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 we're going to the moon. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! I hope you enjoyed that song. Our next book is Pop-Up Peekaboo Space by Dawn Surratt, published by DK Publishing. Say hello to Daisy and Danny. They're on a mission to the moon. Can you find their space rocket? It's time for liftoff soon. Is there a rocket behind the launch tower? Count down with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff! Bye-bye, Daisy and Danny. Way up high go Daisy and Danny, whizzing along at a speedy pace. And as they pass a space station, they find something they can chase. What do they find by the space station? Let's see. Peekaboo, it's a blue striped rocket, time for a race. Inside the rocket's cockpit, our astronauts are strapped in tight. Who else is traveling with them, ready to help on this space flight? Let's look behind the metal door. Who do you think's behind the metal door? Let's find out. Peekaboo, it's Rilo the robot. The moon is really close now. It's a great big ball of rock. Is something hiding behind it? Watch out, you might get a shock. Let's find the surprise. Peekaboo, it's an alien spaceship. The aliens are friendly but shy. They quickly fly away. Our friends have made it to the moon. They see no aliens, big or small. Time to plant a flag in the dusty land and write a message from us all. What message should we leave on the moon? To other life forms in space, friendly greetings from planet Earth. The end. I hope you had fun with the Storytime end song. Next, we have 2 fun crafts, a moon painting and a NASA Galaxy pinwheel that we could put together in the art studio. Come join me and we'll get started. The materials you will need are glue, foil, a measuring cup, gray, black, and white paint, a paintbrush, scissors, black construction paper, and a moon painting template. You can go to cerritoslibrary.us and under the What's New tab, click on the Celebrate International Observe the Moon Night link. After you click on the link, you will see the template. The first step is taking the foil, going to wrap it into a ball, and then push it into the measuring cup. And you'll use this to paint the moon. You can take the foil, put it into the gray paint, and then paint all around the moon. Okay, after you finish using the gray paint, you're going to put the foil into the black paint and use it to create craters for the moon. Once your painting is fully dry, it will look like this. Now you can cut out the moon. Now you will glue the moon to the construction paper. So put glue on the back of the moon. And place it on the paper. You're going to take the white paint and then make little stars on the black construction paper. And now your painting is complete. The materials you'll need for your Galaxy pinwheel are a single hole punch, scissors, pencil, push pin, and a NASA Galaxy pinwheel craft template. You can go to cerritoslibrary.us and under the What's New tab, click on Celebrate International Observe the Moon Night link. After you click on the link, you will see the template. The first step is to cut out the hexagonal shape of your galaxy pinwheel. Once you do that, it will look like this. The next step is to punch the holes in the white dots. You may need a parent to help you. You have to make sure you get the hole in the middle. Now you need to take the scissors and make cuts down the white lines. Now you turn the paper so it's face down. You're going to fold each flap and make sure to line up the holes of each flap to the center hole. Once you have them all lined up, you'll have a parent use a push pin for you. It's very sharp, so you have to have a parent do it. Take the push pin and put it through the hole and attach it to the eraser on the pencil. And now your pinwheel is complete. Thank you for celebrating International Observe the Moon Night with me. I hope you enjoyed the Storytime and Crafts. Bye-bye.